Good morning, good day, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Wherever you are in this beautiful world, I hope you're having a great day today. This is the same weekly pattern that we have. I've got a few charts for you prepared, but it's not gonna be the best of news, I think. And that's what I got prepared for you guys, and I'm trying to explain to you why I think that is. This is the same pattern that we've been looking at for weeks, and I start with this pattern every Tuesday because Tuesday is the video making day for me. And you can see that, yeah, we're basically still holding here and being held back by the line, by this line that started in November with the all-time high, and then it's holding us back down forever. So this is in the weekly pattern, right? So if we look at the MACD and histogram, you can see that it's still above, the blue line is above the orange line, which is considered good. Yeah, but we still have the green diminishing and volume is declining right now. So that's something that is not the best of news. Let me I just removed the RSI. Here it is again. The bearish divergence is still playing out, or the bullish divergence is still playing out, but it'll need a few weeks before this eventually will pay off, I guess. And I'll show you why on the daily channel, because this red line is basically the same line as this line right here. I've made another chart on FTX chart, and I've made another smaller pattern, which is a continuation pattern, and basically what you see is some consolidation before making a next move, and those are most likely to move in the way it came in, so move out the way it came in. So that basically would mean that we came in down, we bounced around in this level, and it is very likely to go down. As you can see right here, I've many times shown you the bullish crossover in the MACD, which has a percentage of 20% on average if you trade it up. And as you can see right now, the blue line is heading down towards the orange line, and if it crosses, then we call this a bearish cross, right? So you can see also see that it is diminishing, right? So you can see strength is weakening, but we're basically at, let me remove these lines right here. We're basically at a crossroads. Let me zoom in a little more for you. So you can see this line is a trend. It has several touch points. This line is a trend with even more touch points. And the more times we touch levels like this, or the more times we touch support levels like this, the weaker it becomes. So it is very, very likely that this red line from the all-time high will keep us going down and will eventually break this support line right here. So if we look at a target for a technical target for this, let me make this line purple. A technical target for this is, yeah, not looking that great, right? So technical target will be $6,000 for Bitcoin, which isn't that great news, but I don't think that would be an interesting short, right? For another 60%, that is massive. That is massive. Let's hope that this will not happen, of course, but I know I'm scaring you right now, and a lot of people will be scared if they see this video. I'm not the only one doing technical analysis. The most YouTubers I know aren't that optimistic as well for the current time, but since this pattern is very valid, I do believe that this line right here will eventually act as support. This line right here. So this is basically the line in the sand that we're drawing for this pattern. And otherwise we still have the weekly close and the all-time high on the 13.5K, right? So there are a lot of things that could keep us going back up, and also the bearish divergence, if it keeps or the bullish divergence on a weekly, if it keeps playing out, then eventually it will get back to the 28, 20 or 30K range. So, but for now it doesn't look that good. Does this mean you should sell your positions right now? Yeah, like most of you already know, I have a holding position which I will never sell, and I have a trading portfolio which I do buy and sell with. And shorting this with leverage or selling your position is something that I definitely will consider, but only if we close a daily candle below this line right here. Yeah. So if we close a daily candle, retest the line, the previous support acting as resistance, then I will definitely sell my positions or get into a short position. But that's not what we're looking at right now. And I just want you guys to be prepared for anything that can happen, right? So the one thing I would like to show you also is that the DXY, the dollar index, has also played out exactly like we told about in previous videos. The DXY had a continuation pattern, a little different than this one, because also you can see we went up in this one. Now we have a continuation, and because we went into it up, which is basically different than this, right? We went down in it, so, and this one is going up and continuating. The technical target isn't met yet, so if this technical target is gonna get met, then that also means Bitcoin will go down, because the dollar index and the Bitcoin price have negative correlation with each other, right? So it is very exciting times right now, because it almost seemed like we were going to have a bullish breakout, but it got rejected again. And like you can see with this pattern and the red line, which is the almost a year trend right now, is also keeping us down, as the same goes with the EMA ribbon, right? In bear markets you can see, let me zoom out a little bit. We had a little break here, but in bear markets, this is the all-time high. You can see that the EMA ribbon generally is keeping the price down. Here we had a fake out, 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 but generally here again, but generally it is keeping us down. So the EMA ribbon is a very valuable tool to look at trends, long-term trends, but also in the shorter term, I guess. But it is interesting to see. Let me just zoom in for the market. The Bitcoin dominance isn't at 70 yet. So when it's at 70, then I'll consider selling a lot of Bitcoin and going heavily into altcoins. But yeah, that's a far thing from happening right now. So basically the news isn't that good. I think it is very possible that we go to the 16.2k. Based on all momentum indicators, I do believe that is definitely a possibility. And I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but I'm just preparing you guys for it, and I'm preparing myself for it. This is also the pattern that could tell us where we could go down. Let me also show you, because it is a continuation pattern, but it's a 50-50 chance, right? So the bullish target out of this technical target would be 32k, which has confluence with this volume range and this volume range right here. So and this as well. So that is very likely. If we break out to the upside, I do believe that this area would be the. I don't think the bear market is over yet. So if we even get to this level, this is where I would be scared to continue and eventually sell as well. But the overall feeling and my guess, based on the charts and the momentum, is that we are likely to see downwards momentum coming in. So yeah, that's about it. Not the best of news for you guys, I guess, but yeah, I can only prepare you and myself for what could possibly happen. I've showed you the bullish side and the bearish side, which I believe in more. But yeah, we don't guess, we do not predict, we anticipate and react and to the market. So when we break this line, this 18.6, 18.5k line, and we close it daily below and we retest it as resistance, then I would consider going into a short position or sell my trading positions. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you selling, buying, waiting? Do you agree with my analysis or don't you? I'm curious to see what you guys think, and yeah, let me know in the comments. While you're at it, leave a like, please, for the LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, YouTube algorithm, and let's help the most people we can by showing them this video and preparing them for what is possible to happen in both ways, right? So thanks for your attention. I hope you have a nice day today, and talk to you later. Bye.